Super exciting progress here in Warrenton, Virginia for water service replacement utilizing, you know it, trenchless directional boring. Wonderful. Get back to business. Let's have fun. For this one, we actually had to kind of zigzag our way around the property in order to make it into the house while avoiding being on this guy's property. Check this out. We laid ourselves just in the street, blocking one lane. Thankfully, there's a cul-de-sac over there, and shot straight into the hill, entered into our trench, and then we curved our way, following kind of like the edge of the driveway, as we found a way to slowly make a turn for an angle of attack to enter the house into a crawl space, which is on the other side of this fireplace stack. Ahí está. There's Nemo. Right in there. Where'd our drill come up? Right over there? Oh, there we are. Yep. And that's how we entered into the crawl space. Super cool. All with bare minimum excavation inside of the property. We're on the property only to expose the utilities to protect them as per regulations with Miss Utility. That's 120 feet of total water service replaced from the property line all the way into the crawl space with trenchless technologies, minimal disruption to property. Boom, the Freedom Way. So if you have a leak in Warrenton, Virginia, I want to take a peek. 703-895-4109. Freedom Plumbers and Pumpers, Septic and Drain, your local trenchless service provider. Booyah! We'll catch you on the next one.